Hello, and welcome to this Level 3 Food Safety Management and Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, or HACCP, for Supervisors course. This program is designed to give you the knowledge and practical understanding needed to manage food safety effectively in a supervisory role. Throughout this course, you will learn how food safety risks arise, how they are controlled, and what your responsibilities are in ensuring safe, compliant operations. You will explore why food safety matters, the legal framework that underpins it, the hazards that can affect food, and the systems used to control those risks in practice. This course focuses on helping you apply food safety principles in real working environments, not just understand them in theory. The aim of this course is to help you manage food safety in a way that is consistent, structured, and legally compliant. Understand how to identify hazards and control risks, and ensure that food produced under your supervision is safe for consumers. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the key principles of food safety management, recognize biological, chemical, physical, and allergen hazards, apply control measures across the food production process, understand and support a food safety management system based on HACCP, monitor controls and take appropriate corrective action when needed, and carry out your role in a way that supports legal compliance and due diligence. This course is divided up into 10 modules to facilitate easier learning. Module 1, Introduction to Food Safety and the Legal Framework. Module 2, Introduction to Food Safety Management Systems. Module 3, Microbiology and Food Safety Hazards. Module 4, Personal Hygiene. Module 5, Operational Control Measures. Module 6, Food Premises and Equipment Design. Module 7, HACCP Principles. Module 8, Food Hazard Analysis. Module 9, Assessing and Controlling Food Hazards. And Module 10, Food Safety Management System in Practice. With each module you will find an interactive summary giving an overview of the subject. The e-learning program also tests your knowledge as you progress, both within the program and at the end. These module tests are not assessed and do not form part of your final result. However, you must achieve a pass score for each module in order to progress through the course. You may retake these modules and tests as many times as you wish. After completing all modules, you will unlock the Food Safety Management Level 3 End Test. The assessment is designed to review your knowledge and your ability to apply what you have learned. The review component is made up of multiple choice questions covering the content of all the modules, and a series of questions based on a case study. You must score 80% overall to pass the assessment. You will be given 2 attempts at passing. If you fail the second attempt, the course will be locked and you will need to retake the course from the beginning to access the end of course assessment again.